The purity of the sea, the strength of the earth, the wisdom of every particle is the origin and the heart of our company project. We are MARNYS. We bring nature and science together to take care of you, offering you the best natural products, standing for quality, innovation and efficiency. With the experience of more than 50 years by your side, working for and because of your quality of life. Taking care of you from the inside and the outside. We want to help you reach your goals and enjoy, with health, all the stages of life. At MARNYS, we continue to evolve and innovate to create the most advanced formulas to support your well-being. Let's build a healthier future together. MARNYS, we bring together nature and science to take care of you.